Greetings everyone. Welcome to Master's Zone. Today, we will go over decluttering your life. 3 reasons cleaning and mental health are connected. Be sure to watch until the end to hear all 3 links between clutter and mental health. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you on your health and wellness journey. Now let's get straight into the video. Clutter can cause stress and anxiety and make it difficult to focus on tasks. Cleaning and organizing can improve mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and create a more focused environment. Research has shown that people who work in a clutter-free environment are more productive and able to process information more efficiently. Starting small, using the 4-box method, being honest with yourself, and setting realistic goals are all effective strategies for decluttering your life. Decluttering your life can lead to a more organized and peaceful living environment, positively impacting your mental health and well-being. Retaining a clean and organized living space can be challenging in our fast-paced and increasingly cluttered world. However, many people may not realize the impact of clutter and disorganization on their mental health. Research has shown a strong connection between cleaning and mental health, with decluttering having numerous benefits for our overall well-being. Living in a cluttered and disorganized space can create a sense of chaos and stress in our daily lives. Most of us have struggled with feeling overwhelmed by some form of clutter. Whether it's the pile of papers on our desk, the overflowing closet, or the cluttered kitchen, clutter can make us feel moody, anxious, and overwhelmed. We often think of cleaning and decluttering as simple household chores, but we might not realize that they profoundly impact our mental health and well-being. In fact, decluttering our physical space can improve our mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and create a more focused environment. In this video, we will explore 3 key reasons why cleaning and mental health are connected and why decluttering your life can lead to a happier, more peaceful you. 1. We will discuss how clutter can cause stress and anxiety, negatively impacting our mental state. 2. We will explore how cleaning can improve our mood and help us to feel more positive and energized. And 3. We will discuss how decluttering can improve our focus and concentration, leading to greater productivity and a more fulfilling life. By understanding the connection between cleaning and mental health, we can take steps to prioritize decluttering and organizing our living space, leading to improved well-being and a greater sense of control over our lives. Whether it's taking a few minutes daily to tidy up or embarking on a larger-scale decluttering project, incorporating cleaning into our daily routine can have numerous mental health benefits that are well worth the effort. Number 1. Clutter causes stress and anxiety. Clutter can significantly impact our mental health, causing stress and anxiety. When our space is cluttered, processing all the visual stimuli around us can be overwhelming. Our brains have to work harder to process the excess information, leading to a sense of overload and overwhelm. Moreover, clutter can make finding the things we need challenging, which can add to our stress levels. We might feel frustrated and anxious when we can't locate important documents or items amidst the mess. This can have a knock-on effect on our productivity, as we waste time searching for things rather than focusing on the task at hand. Research has shown that clutter can harm our mood. A study conducted by researchers at UCLA uncovered that women who declared their homes as cluttered had higher cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress, than women who described their homes as tidy. The study also found that women who described their homes as cluttered were more likely to feel depressed and fatigued. Another study conducted by researchers at the University of New Mexico found that cluttered spaces can lead to higher levels of procrastination. Volunteers in the study who worked in a cluttered environment were likelier to procrastinate on tasks than those who worked in a tidy environment. Clutter can also negatively affect our ability to relax and unwind. When we come home to a cluttered and chaotic environment, it can be difficult to switch off and decompress. Instead, we might feel more stressed and anxious, unable to relax and enjoy our downtime. So, what can we do to reduce clutter and create a more peaceful living space? One effective strategy is to start small. Instead of decluttering your entire home at once, focus on one area at a time. For example, starting with a small space like a desk or a closet can build momentum and make the task more manageable. Another effective strategy is to use the 4-box method. This involves labeling 4 boxes: keep, donate, sell, and trash. As you go through your items, place them in the appropriate box. This will help you decide what to keep and let go of. When concluding what to keep and what to let go of, it's important to be honest with yourself. Ask yourself if you have used the item in the past year and if you really need it. If not, it may be time to let it go. Decluttering can be daunting, but setting realistic goals for yourself can help make it more achievable. Instead of trying to declutter your entire home in one weekend, aim to tackle one area per week. This will help to prevent burnout and make the process feel more manageable. In conclusion, clutter can profoundly impact our mental health, causing feelings of stress and anxiety. However, taking small steps to reduce clutter and create a more peaceful living space can improve our mood, reduce stress levels, and create a more focused environment. By decluttering our physical space, we can enhance our mental and emotional well-being and lead a happier, more peaceful life. Number 2. Cleaning can improve your mood. Cleaning can have a surprisingly positive impact on our mood and mental health. When we clean and organize our living space, we create a sense of order and control, which can help to lower feelings of stress and anxiety. A clean and tidy environment can also create a more pleasant and inviting atmosphere, leading to a more positive outlook on life. Research has shown that cleaning can directly impact our mental health. In an examination by researchers at the University of California, participants who cleaned their homes regularly reported feeling happier and more satisfied with their lives than those who didn't clean as often. The study also found that participants who cleaned their homes regularly had higher energy levels and felt more productive. Cleaning and organizing our living space can also create a sense of accomplishment and boost our self-esteem. When we see the results of our efforts, we feel a sense of pride and achievement, which can positively impact our overall mood and well-being. Moreover, cleaning can be a form of mindfulness practice. When we focus on the task at hand, we are fully present at the moment and can let go of distracting thoughts and worries. This can help lower stress and anxiety and create a greater sense of calm and relaxation. Cleaning can also be a form of exercise, which has been linked to numerous mental health advantages. When we engage in physical exercise, our bodies release endorphins, natural mood boosters. Cleaning can be a great way to get moving and increase our heart rate, leading to a natural boost in mood and energy. So, how can we incorporate cleaning into our daily routine to improve our mood and mental health? One effective strategy is to create a cleaning schedule. This can help ensure that we regularly clean and organize our living space, leading to a more peaceful and orderly environment. Another effective strategy is to incorporate cleaning into our daily mindfulness practice. Rather than seeing cleaning as a chore, we can view it as an opportunity to be present and zoned in on the task at hand. We can create a more positive and relaxed environment by approaching cleaning with a mindful attitude. In conclusion, cleaning can profoundly impact our mood and mental health. By creating a clean and tidy living space, we can reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, boost our self-esteem, and create a more positive outlook on life. By incorporating cleaning into our daily routine and mindfulness practice, we can reap the numerous mental health benefits that come with a clean and organized living space. Number 3. Decluttering can improve your focus. Decluttering can have a significant impact on our ability to focus and concentrate. When we have a cluttered and disorganized environment, staying on task and maintaining our focus can be difficult. This can result in feelings of frustration and overwhelm, which can further impact our ability to concentrate. On the other hand, decluttering and organizing our living space can create a more focused and productive atmosphere, leading to improved mental clarity and a greater sense of control. One of the main ways that decluttering can improve our focus is by reducing distractions. When we have a lot of clutter and unnecessary items in our environment, it can be difficult to tune out the various stimuli around us and focus on the task at hand. By decluttering and removing unnecessary items, we can create a more minimalist and streamlined environment, reducing distractions and increasing our ability to focus. Decluttering helps us to better prioritize our tasks and responsibilities. When we have a lot of clutter and disorganization in our environment, it can be difficult to determine the most important tasks and how to allocate our time and energy effectively. By decluttering and organizing our living space, we can create a more structured and efficient environment, which can help us to better prioritize our tasks and stay on track. Moreover, decluttering can create a greater sense of control and urgency over our environment. When we have a cluttered and disorganized living space, it can feel as though our surroundings are controlling us rather than the other way around. This can lead to feelings of helplessness and disempowerment, which can further impact our ability to focus and concentrate. By decluttering and taking control of our living space, we can create a greater sense of urgency and empowerment, which can help to improve our focus and concentration. Finally, decluttering can also have a positive impact on our mental state. A cluttered and disorganized environment can create feelings of overwhelm and stress, which can further impact our ability to focus and concentrate. By decluttering and creating a more peaceful and organized living space, we can reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, leading to improved mental clarity and a greater ability to focus. In conclusion, decluttering can significantly impact our ability to focus and concentrate. By reducing distractions, helping us prioritize our tasks, creating a greater sense of control, and improving our mental state, decluttering and organizing our living space can help us to create a more focused and productive environment. By incorporating decluttering into our daily routine, we can reap the numerous mental health benefits that come with a clean and organized living space. Subscribe and turn on notifications to avoid missing any future videos of decluttering your life and much more. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.